Hi friends, welcome to Nischala's Kitchen. Today I'll show you a Maharashtrian style breakfast item, that is Kandha Poha. This is the most popular breakfast in entire Maharashtra. For making poha, we have to choose a thicker variant of poha. Means your poha must not be very flat, it must be thick. And I'm showing this recipe with 3 cups of poha. So it will be good enough for around 4 to 5 people in the house. Take poha in this kind of colander or a sieve and nicely sieve the poha, because if there is any fine particles or if there is any powdery substance, if we do not sieve it like this, when we are making poha, our poha will get stick to the pan. So this is very important. Mix it nicely. See, fine powder has come out. Now take 2 glasses of water and pour it over the poha like this. We just have to make sure every flake of the poha must be wet with the little water that we are pouring. Do not pour more water or do not soak the poha with a lot of water. If you do like that, our poha will become very mushy. Just mix it with your hands like this and leave it aside for 15 minutes. Now let's start the preparation for poha. Take a thick bottomed pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil and fry half a cup of peanuts in low flame. See, fry them nicely and take it into a separate bowl. And into the same pan, add a little more oil. I'm adding around 2 more tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. After that, add 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds and a pinch of asafoetida. Asafoetida is optional, but if you add hing, it adds taste. And now add finely chopped green chilies and curry leaves. See, I'm giving it a good mix and add 1 cup of finely chopped onions and give it a good mix. After that, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per the taste. After adding salt, give it a good mix. And now I am adding a little bit of sugar also into it. I am adding brown sugar. You can add white sugar also. This sugar is one of the secret ingredients of this poha recipe. It will not let any of the ingredient dominate the taste of the poha. After adding sugar, give it a good mix, and for this I am adding 1 teaspoon of water and I am cooking these onions in the water. See, keep lid and cook the onions so that they'll become soft. We must not over fry the onions. We must just cook them for 1 minute in water. After taking the lid, add the poha that we have soaked in water and kept. See, add the entire poha into this and give it a good mix. Mix it really well so that the taste of all the ingredients that we've added will go to the poha. And also do not forget to check salt levels. Now take 3 teaspoons of water and pour it all around the pan. After pouring the water, we must not mix poha with the spatula. See, I am slowly pouring 3 teaspoons of water all around the poha and keep the lid and turn the flame into low and leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes. My poha was ready in 7 minutes. It's finely cooked and it did not stick anywhere to the pan. Now add the peanuts that we have fried and also add half a cup of finely chopped coriander leaves and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon into the poha and serve it hot. That's it. We are done. Hope you will also try this recipe at home, and if you like it, do share it with your friends and family members. And do not forget to hit on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Thanks for watching Nestila's Kitchen. Bye everyone.